This is not your regular vehicle. It's not a van, it's not a car, and it's definitely not a motorhome you've seen on highways. What you're looking at is a fully functional Desi Jugaad camper, built entirely on the frame of a humble tricycle. But don't let the size or appearance fool you. This machine is a masterpiece of creativity, efficiency, and pure Indian ingenuity. At first glance, it looks like an odd blend of a rickshaw and a tiny house, painted in vibrant colors, with hand-painted signs and local art. Every detail on this camper has a story behind it. The body is constructed with a mix of scrap wood, reused metal sheets, and some smart welding. The builder, a man from a small village, spent months putting this together with nothing but second-hand tools, passion, and a tight budget. The front of the tricycle is the control center. It still functions like a regular cycle rickshaw, but has been fitted with a makeshift dashboard that includes a USB charging point powered by a small solar panel mounted on the roof. There's even a tiny fan running on the same system. The handle has a horn that sounds like a whistle. Very Desi. Very functional. Move around to the side and you'll find sliding wooden panels acting as windows. There's even a curtain made from old sari cloth for privacy. The entire structure is designed to be lightweight, yet strong enough to withstand monsoon rains and village roads. On top, there's a small roof carrier made from old cycle wheels, where extra luggage or a folded Sharpay can be stored. Now, let's step inside. You enter by pulling a latch that opens up a compact door. Immediately, you'll notice how efficiently the space has been used. On the right side, there's a small foldable bed that doubles up as a bench during the day. Opposite to it, there's a storage shelf made from old wooden crates, holding clothes, utensils, a pressure cooker, and a bottle of water. Even the floor is layered with a mat made from recycled plastic, keeping things cool during the hot summer months. At the far end, near the rear panel, there's a small cooking station. It has a one-burner stove connected to a recycled LPG cylinder, with a few hooks above it to hang spoons and pans. A small bucket under the counter stores water for washing and cooking. There's even a collapsible table mounted on the wall, perfect for meals or working on the go. What's truly impressive is the thought put into every inch of this vehicle. It's not just transportation, it's a moving home. Self-built, self-sustained, and totally unique. This isn't just Jugaad. It's innovation at its rawest and most honest. And it's proof that with a little imagination and a lot of heart, even a tricycle can become a home.